Hello students, welcome in my class, Sri Guru Gyan classes. Students, today I explain you substitutions method in detail wise our exercise 3.3. Yes students, in 3.3 solving by the substitutions, our first questions, x plus y 14 and x minus y is equal to 4. Any one equation you utilize. I go to step wise. In step 1, from any one equation you start by students. I apply in the first method by the first way, x plus y is equal to 14. So what is the x? Yes, it is 14 minus y, and they get in equation number 3. Now step 2, we substitute value of, yes, this value x is equal to 14 minus y in the equation number. Which equation? I start from first, so substitute in the second. Yes students, the second equation I just utilize this equation. So from 2, what is my two equations? X minus y is equal to 4. This x applies successfully, 14 minus y, and y is same as this value x I utilize here students, this value. So 14, y and y minus 2y. So 14 minus 4 is equal to 2y, which is 10. And what is the y? 10 by 2. That is 5 only. And here our first easily done our questions. Now I go to students step 3. Yes, it's very easy. Our step 3 is always start from third equation. Yes, this here third equation. X is equal to 14 minus y. And what is your y value? Yes, it is only and only 5. So 14 minus 5, you getting putting the value y is equal to 5. 14 minus 5, it is 9. So my solution x comma y students, it is 9 comma 5. You also verify this equation true or not. X putting 9, here 5, it is 14, and 9 minus 5, sure, they get my answer is a 4. And this full numerical students, you getting only and only just 2 marks questions. Yes students, now I start second one. Same as question 2. S minus t is equal to 3, and s by 3 plus t by 2 is equal to 6. Statement 2. Students, here statement 2 just I calculate in the equation wise. So LCM is a 6. Here twice s plus 3t. This 6 LCM carry. Twice s plus 3t is equal to 36. And here apply my equation number 2. Now I start our method for which method? Substitution. Step 1. From which equation taking? First or second? Yes, first is best. Second is also best. But it is coefficient given. So big solution. S minus t, apply the first equation. So s minus t is equal to 3. What is the s? T plus 3. And this t plus 3 I substitute in the next equations. So starting step 2, we substitute value of this value of s is equal to t plus 3 in the equation number. Yes students, this again turning point I repeat to you. I start from equation number 1 here. So substitute in the equation number 2. So from 2, what is the two equations? Twice s plus 3t is equal to 36. So twice s is what? T plus 3. 3t and 36 is same as. Now students, you just calculate value for t. So twice t, here 6, 3t, and is equal to 36. So what you getting? Twice t and 3t? Yes, 5t and 36 minus 6, it is 30. So 30 by 5. This answer is t is equal to how much? Yes, it is 6. Now I go to step 3. Always starting from 3, because third equation is the best way to utilize. Sorry, by mistakes I not putting a third equation. Just you focus on the equation number 3. So from 3, your s is equal to t plus 3. Yes students, putting your t, and easily you getting your answer s is equal to 9. So finally I done here my solution. X comma y is an, sorry, not x comma y, here putting s comma t, because s is your given variable, t is your variable, s is what? 9, and that is 6. And this answer you also check out here. 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. 9 by 3 means 3. 6 by 2 means 3. It get 3 plus 3. It is 6. And this illustration or exercise, question number first to second question, is also here students happily done. After complete students our previous questions up to 9,6 answer, I go to next question, third one. Third is that 3x minus y equal to 3 and 9x minus 3y equal to 3. Same method. Step 1, you start any one equations. I going to first, from first 3x minus y is equal to 3. So what is the y? Yes, y is 3x minus 3, and that is equation number, yes, equation number you take out to 3. Now step 2, we substitute value of y is equal to 3x minus 3 in the equation. Which equation? Yes, you starting from here first. So equation apply in the second. Here utilize your equation number 2. So I go to from 2. What is the 2? 9x minus 3y is equal to 9. Here apply your value for y. 3x minus 3 is equal to 9. So what you getting? 9x minus 9x plus 9. Yes, 9x remove. Only I have 9 equal to 9. So 0 equal to 0, because 9 also cancel. And this statement is what? Both of them. It is true. Students, here true coming. True coming means there are infinitely many solutions are exist. That type such equation, students, you just take out. Here two lines are L1 and L2. Both are in overlapping. It means coincident. Then this happen. If here false coming, then parallel lines. No solution. Here infinite many solutions. Therefore, answer right. Infinite many solutions are available. And my answer is a solution set must be right in the set notation. X comma y such that this equation right now. First or second, what is the smallest equation given? 3x minus y minus 3 is equal to 0. xy belongs to R. Yes, students, this equation is straight line, and straight line have minimum 2 points but maximum infinite points, and that infinite points here I showing. Then this drawing wise an answer fill up to 3x minus y minus 3 is equal to 0, and this case happened in only and only in this case because here true coming. Students, I again repeat you, if here false coming, then answer is a parallel lines and no solutions. Yes, here done easily our question. Now continue students, question number 4. This fourth question is a IMP for your exam level. So many time asking in your exams that type numericals. Here point given. So first of all students, I try to remove our point. So it is 2 by 10. Next 3 by 10. And here 13 by 10. Sure, you getting 10, 10, 10 remove. Only I have 2x plus 3y is equal to 13. That's my statement 1. Similarly here 4 by 10, 5 by 10 and 23 by 10 is same as here also 10, 10, 10 remove. You getting only 4x plus 5y is equal to 23. Now I start our method as usual to substitutions method. Step 1. Students, first utilize either second. I go to first wise. From equation number 1, 2x plus 3y is equal to 13. And you remove either x one side, either y. I just remove the x. So 13 minus 3y. 13 minus 3y by 2. And this value is x. Our equation number. Yes, it is 3. Now I go to step 2. We substitute value of, yes students, value of this x is equal to 13 minus 3y by 2 in the equation number. Which equation? We start here from equation 1. Yes, so apply in equation number 2. So here from 2. What is from 2? 4x plus 5y is equal to 23. Apply successfully this x value. So 4x is a 13 minus 3y by 2. 5y same and 23 is as it is. Now students, this little equation cutting 2 2s are. So I getting that 26, 3 2s are 6 plus 5y and is equal to 23 is same as, yes, 6y minus 5y, how much? Minus y, and 23 is same as. So students, I easily here ending this part. So 26 minus y is equal to 23. So I just getting here 26 minus 23 is equal to y. So what is y? It is surely 3. Students, these equations I just show up here. Now I last doing step 3. From 3, always students, you starting your equation number 3rd from 3. X is equal to 13 minus 3y by 2. 13 minus 3, what is the y? Only 3. Yes, 3 3s are 9. So 13 minus 9 by 2, which is 4 by 2. So my answer is only and only 2. So my solution, x comma y, how much? It is 2 comma 3. Yes students, here you are happily. This equation is also done. But I again repeat you, this numerical is a IMP question for board level. And it is for 2 marks only, just a yes. Now students, after ending this 2, 3 answers our previous sums, I move ahead question number 5. Root 3x plus root 3y equal to 0 and root 3x minus root 8 is equal to root 2y is equal to 0. Root 3x minus root 8y is equal to 0. Students, here no constant value available. Both of the cases, be sure your answer is 0 0 in any equations. So now I start first our method. Step 1 from 1. Yes, either 1 either 2 as you like apply, but I starting from first. Root 2x plus root 3y is equal to 0. Surely root 2x is equal to minus root 3y. So what do you x? Minus root 3y by root 2. Students, this sum is also IMP for board level and it's IMP questions. Here apply equation number 3. Now step 2. We substitute value of this value x is equal to minus root 3y by root 2 in the equation number. Yes, Yes, which equation? I started from equation number 1. So substitute in equation number 2. So from 2. Students, I hope your method is understood properly. First utilize, then apply in second. Then second utilize, then apply in the first. So from 2, root 3x minus root 8y is equal to 0. You getting root 3x is equal to root 8y. And putting this value successfully for x. What is x value? Yes, it is root 3 into minus root 3 y by root 2. And here root 8y is same. Students, this calculation is a just type of typical equations. You focus on only and only on the y equations. So other value is here. Root 3 3 by root 2y. And this take inside minus root 8y is equal to 0. You never remove y and y one side both. Otherwise there is no value defined. So you take the right side to left side and take out to common. Y is common. We have to minus 3 by root 2 minus root 8. So what is the y? 0 by anything. You know students, 0 by anything is answer? Yes, 0 by anything is a 0. Now step 3. From 3. What is third equation? Yes, this is your third equation. X is equal to minus root 3 by root 2y, and this y you putting successfully. So minus root 3 by root 2 into 0. Now 0 into anything? Yes, again 0. So my solution finally done, which is 0, 0. Students, I again repeat you. Whenever you question x and y given but not given a number for constant, if you 0, 0 given, your direct answer is 0. For more examples, I just write down x plus 4y is equal to 0, 5x plus 10y is equal to 0. Sure answer is 0. Check. Here both of the right side value is 0. But necessary x and y given, then your answer is 0. You any example write. But sure, if your last case are 0, 0 for related x and y, linear equations must be answer is finally your 0, 0. Now continue students. Our further questions. Exercise 3.3 question 1. The sixth one. Same calculate by the substitution method. Yes, equation is that 3x by 2, 5y by 3 is equal to minus 2. X by 3, y by 2 is equal to 13 by 6. First I take LCM. This LCM is a 6. This same is. So it is a 9x. 5 is a 10y. So this multiply here. My answer is 9x minus 10y is equal to 6 to the 12. And here utilize your equation number 1. Same as here students, equation taking 6 LCM, 2x plus 3y and 13 by 6 as it is. But students, this 6 and this 6 gone. Only you have to 2x plus 3y is equal to 13. Statement 2. Now start our method, substitution method. So step 1. From any one equation you start, first either second. I start second one. So what is the second? 2x plus 3y is equal to 13. So what is the x? 13 minus 3y. It get 13 minus 3y by 2. And this your equation number, our third. Yes students, this third equations you easily. Now next step 2. We substitute value of x is equal to 13 minus 3y by 2 in the equation number. Yes, we starting here from second equation. So I start in the first equation. So just I apply from 1. What is the first equation? 9x minus 10y is equal to minus 12, this one, and this value for x I successfully apply here, and you get the one little equations. Yes, this value, students, I apply the x. 13 minus 3y by 2, because I divided by 2 and take out the LCM here. So this LCM is total 2, here minus 12, and here apply 13 into 9. So 9 3s are 27, 2 carry, 9 1s are 9, 10 and 11, 117, minus 9 3s are 27y, and 10 2s are 20y. Students, it's not easy just by taking the LCM. 2 10s are 20, here 9 into 13 and 9 into 3. Again repeat, 13 9s are 9 3s are 27, 2 carry, 9 1s are 9 plus 2, 11. Yes. So 117 minus here 47y, and these two you multiply by that 12. So minus 24. Yes. So 117 plus 24 is equal to 47y. Now students, you added them both. So 7 and 4 1 carry, 2 3 and 4. So 141 is equal to 47y. So y become 141 by 47. Now just you divided them, 141 by 47. Surely. Yes students, this 47, it is a multiple of the 141. It is a 3's. So my answer is only y is equal to 3. Check down, 7 3s are 21, 2 carry. Now next, multiply that, it is 14. So your value is 12 and 2 14. Yes, y is equal to 3. Now I go to last step from 3. Yes students, and after that ending our whole sum. So I just moving ahead. Further step 3, which is from 3. Yes, what is the from 3? This equation, x is equal to 13 minus 3y by 2. Put down the value. You getting the value for here y. What is y? Yes, it is 3. So my answer is finally 13 minus 3 3s are 9 by 2. So how much 13 minus 9? It is 4. And 4 by 2. Your answer is just only 2 here. It means students, final value, our solution x comma y, which is 2 comma 3, and that much our numerical students here done. It's very easy process, but just internal multiples are big. Yes students, here your exercise 3.3 first question is finally 1 to 6 numericals done. And substitutions method, a little introduction is also ending here students. Here I ending this part. Further explanation and further study, students, I explain in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.